Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Some time ago, we tell on us say Justice Obiora Egwatu talk say in rule say make the DSS release the 12 Sunday Igboho aides where them be arrest. But as I talk to her now, since that time, the 12 aides still there for the DSS custody. So earlier today, the lawyer of the Sunday Igboho aides will be Pelumi Olanjengbesi tell the Tory people say them be don't sign the bail warrant yesterday, but the DSS can't file another case against the 12 Sunday Igboho aides. We go still keep them for the DSS custody. So now we make Tory people come the Federal High Court today to come see how the matter they go. I say make I just tell her now, waiting carry us come here, make I give her an update of the Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho 12 aides where been the DSS custody where Justice Obiora Egwatu say make the release, where in grant bail, give them conditions where you go use grant bail. So the lawyer talk say they don't fulfill all the bail conditions, but the lawyer, the judge where they in charge of the case been travel. So they can't give another judge to sign the bail warrant. According to the lawyer, they sign the bail warrant, but the DSS now don't file fresh case to further detain the 12 of the Sunday Igboho aides. So the hearing they go on as I talk to her now. The waiting they see from my phone. Now the people where they on standby, they wait make the lawyers come out from the courtroom. Maybe we interview the lawyer himself, making tell us the cocoa waiting Justice Obiora Egwatu talk. So as I talk to her now, I say make I just give her an update of waiting they happen. The people till now they still the DSS custody. So now a fresh case now the DSS they file against the people to further detain them for DSS custody. Now so the matter be. So I just say make I give on a small update. Now the Federal High Court be this one na the lobby of Court 4. Now here now the matter they happen today. In case you just join us, this is BBC Pidgin and the Federal High Court with this so where then they hear the Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho 12 aides where Justice Obiora Egwatu don't grant bail before, but DSS now they file fresh case to further detain the aides. The lawyer went in tell Tory people this morning, talk say them been don't sign the bail warrant. But with this fresh case where DSS don't file to further detain them, so we don't know as it will be. So all of us stand out here, they wait to hear within Justice Obiora Egwatu will talk for the matter. Okay.
Now, for the sake of Nigerians that are not here with us in this court, may we know what transpired in respect of your client's matter?
Right, today the matter was supposed to be for the motion they filed against the cancellation or varying the terms of the condition granted for the 2nd, the 5th, the 6th, and the 12th defendant. However, when they knew that this is the end of the road, they withdrew the application in court. And that's a good one for us because it's a good day for justice as well. However, having said that, they've already filed an appeal against this same ruling of the court, granting bail to the 4 affected defendants. And that's not a problem. You are equally prepared because justice will prevail at the end, just as it's prevailed here today.
Now, what happened to the 8 others?
The 8 others, the more reason why my senior, Pelumi Olanjengbesi, who has been handling the matter before now, the more reason why he was not in court today because he was attending to the perfection of the release order for those 8 applicants. And then serious process is in progress, and we are believing the process as well that between now and tomorrow something good should come out of that as well. So as far as those 8 are concerned, we don't have any problem as well. The shorties that we drawn their shorties earlier on has been replaced, and we are working towards perfecting the bid process.
Where exactly are we now in this case?
Right now, the 4 affected individuals that they appealed against their bill, those ones have been granted release order by the court yesterday. The court signed the release order for those 4 yesterday. And today we are going there to serve them with the release order, and we are optimistic that we are going to get them out from the custody today.
Do you have your full name from camera?
My name is Sunday Adebayo.
Country people, and I don't hear na Sunday Adebayo, now can represent the 12 Yoruba Nation activists Sunday go 8 where DSS be arrest, and as I hear the matter wey in talk say then they follow the perfection of the 8th. And I remember say when we come for court earlier this month, Justice Obiora Egwatu grant the 12 of them bail on different conditions. So out of the 12, and I remember say 4 of them, the DSS been talk say they no one release that 4 because of alleged criminal things where they find out against them. Say them been get possession of firearms and other things where they dangerous, where make their own case different from the other 8. So according to the lawyer now, those 4 people then file another case to further detain those 4 people. But as Anaya has talk for the short interview when do, he say court don't grant them release order yesterday. So now that release order now they won't go present to make sure say they release those 4 people too alongside the other ones. So as the matter be now, then they try to perfect the bail of the other 8 and present the release order where the court don't give to the DSS so that they will release all of them at once. So then they optimistic say by tomorrow everything will don dey under control. So now so the matter be for the Federal High Court. I go still go talk to the lawyer, make him finish this interview when do so that he go use countryman language talk to us. Excuse me, sir. 1 minute, just 1 minute. This is BBC Pidgin. We are live, sir. Let's just read here quickly, sir. Please, Oga lawyer, tell us how the matter go today.
Yes, the DSS they filed a motion for court to cancel the order bail that was granted to the 2nd, the 5th, the 6th, and the 12th defendants. However, they apparently knew that this is the end of the road for them. They came to court today and they withdrew the application. And we are glad because it's a good day for justice.
Okay, so the DSS withdrew the application.
Yes, the DSS withdrew the application.
Okay, why it say they withdraw the application?
Yes, apparently because they know that this is the end of the road for them. But however, they have an appeal against the same matter, and then we are equally prepared for the appeal. As time unfolds, we know what next.
Okay, so for the 12/8 now, totally, waiting you they hope say will happen very soon.
Yes, DSS are law enforcement agency, and we believe that they are bound by the rules of the law. We are hoping that the judge, having signed the release order yesterday, we are going to serve them with the release order for those 4 affected defendants today, and we are optimistic that we are going to get them out of the custody of DSS today.
Okay, okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
And I don't hear a center camp, so then they hope say justice will prevail anytime from now. Make them go perfect all the things where they need. But the big story where they be say DSS for courts withdraw the order where then be filed against the other 4 applicants. So as DSS don't withdraw them, so they say today na the day of justice. Country people, na so it be for the Federal High Court.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.